Tibettv, from growing up in semi-nomadic lifestyle in Ladakh to earning a gold medal in physical education from Delhi University, her path has been defined by resilience, dedication and perseverance. As a recipient of the Department of Education scholarship, she has thrived in both academics and athletics, even representing Tibet on the international football stage. I'm happy to have Ngawang Lhadon joining us today for this conversation. Congratulations and welcome to Tibettv program, Ngawang.
Thank you so much, and thank you for having me. This moment is truly special in many ways. I had manifested it long ago, but more than just being interviewed, what truly excites me is that the opportunity to share my journey with the community.
So good to have you on the program. So I'd like to start by asking you this. Your journey from a semi-nomadic upbringing in Ladakh to winning a gold medal at Delhi University is remarkable. So I'd like to know what inspired you to pursue physical education as your field of study?
The misconception surrounding physical education initially creates a doubt, as many view it as less intellectual and the one who struggles academically is supposed to follow this path. But despite being strong academically, I made the decision to pursue physical education as my career path, as sport was never just a hobby for me. It became my identity. And since childhood, I found joy, disciplines, and purpose in every game I played. And my passion for sport also led me to be the part of Tibetan women national soccer team and represent Tibet at an international platform at 2022 CONIFA Women World Cup. So that love led me to pursue this path wholeheartedly. And also, the lack of Tibetan representation in sports sciences motivated me. I saw an opportunity to fill this gap and potentially inspire many other youngsters to follow this less common path, as excellence can be achieved when patient meet purpose.
Mm-hmm. And winning a gold medal is no small feat. Can you walk us through your daily routine? How did you balance rigorous studies, training and personal life to achieve this milestone?
Yes, my success comes from a carefully structured routine that balances academic demands, physical training, and personal well-being. Every day, I usually wake up at 5 and followed by 40 to 50 minutes of cardio and 10 to 15 minutes of meditation, a practice that centers me mentally before the day challenges. So, and for an hour, I do my strength training, where I truly love lifting weights that create an immense joy in my heart. Of course, then after a protein-rich breakfast, I go to college where I spend most of my days. And when I return home, I dedicate almost 3 to 4, sometimes 5 hours to study, where I usually use the Pomodoro technique, which is 45 minutes of focused study and followed by 15 minutes break. And evening are usually reserved for social connection, and sometimes I learn skills and sometimes I play a music instrument, which I consider essential for my mental balance and creativity. And of course, I'm not perfect, so sometimes some day requires adjustment. But maintaining this structured approach while allowing for flexibility has been fundamental to reaching this milestone.
Mm-hmm. And many people assume that physical education is just about playing sports, but you have said the otherwise because you really fall in love with this sport. So, but you have emphasized its scientific foundation as well. So can you share some of the most challenging aspects of your studies and how you overcame them?
Yes, financially, I never faced any difficulties in my academic journey. This was only possible due to the blessing of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama and the unwavering support from my school and the CTA, for which I'm forever in debt. Also, of course, my family members, they are my cheerleaders, they are my eternal support system. In fact, when I choose this path, they never questioned me, they never doubted me, and they encouraged my passion and believed in my vision. But however, when it comes to academic challenges, I must admit that, like others, even I had misconception at first that choosing this field means less focus on academic and I will get to play whole day. And I was so wrong, as physical education is indeed an interdisciplinary science, drawing various fields like biology, physics, psychology, and sociology to understand and improve the movement, performance, and well-being of human. I realized that I had significant gaps when I began studying at this institute where I'm doing my master right now. It was genuine a wake-up call to discover how far I was as I discovered scientific foundation of this field and eventually developed interest in it.
You have not only excelled academically, but have also represented Tibet in international football. So how has your experience as an athlete influenced your academic and personal growth?
Sport have instilled in me a relentless work ethic, a discipline, and a resilience, qualities that have shaped every aspect of my life. As an athlete, I learned early on that success isn't just about talent, it's about consistency, adaptability, discipline, and pushing through challenges, whether it's physical or mental. Academically, this mindset transformed the way I approach my studies, just like in sport, where refining techniques and analyzing performance are crucial. I applied the same strategy to my education. I treated every subject like a skill to be mastered, studying with the precision, practicing with intent, and never backing down from the difficult concept. There were moments when exhaustion took over, but the athlete in me knew that perseverance always led to breakthrough. So, on a personal level, sport have taught me the value of teamwork, leadership, emotional resilience. So, competing under pressure, handling setbacks, and constantly striving for improvement have shaped me into the person who embraces challenges.
You mentioned the underrepresentation of Tibetans in sports sciences. I'd like to know what changes would you like to see in Tibetan communities' approach to health, fitness, and sports education?
I have observed that while many Tibetan youngsters have keen interest in sport, but very few pursue it professionally, and the Tibetan women representation in sport is even lower. So this gap likely stems from the lack of awareness about sports sciences as a valuable career path and fewer role model to inspire the next generation, which is truly disappointing. Sport is severely underrated despite its tremendous potential. I'm very proud to have chosen this field. Many of my peers who followed a traditional career path are struggling to find employment. Sports science offer diverse opportunity, especially health concerns are growing with the modernization. The beauty of this field is a variety of career path it opens. You can work as a sport nutritionist, sports psychologist, biomechanical analysis, performance analysis, sport management professional, a personal trainer, a health coach, or a yoga instructor. So, sports sociologist, a role in sport medicine and rehabilitations, and the list goes on. But excelling in this field require more than just a degree. It demands a genuine interest, continuous learning, and the immense dedication. Since we are dealing with the complexities of human body and performance, a deep understanding and scientific approach are essential to truly make an impact in this field. So, yeah, that's it.
So, Ngala, before signing off with this conversation, I'd like to know what are your future plans and what are you looking forward to after this?
I am planning to do a PhD in this field, and currently I have taken exercise physiology as my subject specialization. So I hope I will excel in this particular path. Yes.
I wish you all the best in all the endeavors that you're going to achieve. So thank you so much for talking to Tibettv today. It was wonderful having you here.
Thank you so much for the opportunity.
With this, we have come to the end of today's program of In Conversation with Tibettv. Thank you so much for watching.